boys and girls. Today's story is a nonfiction story, which means it's about real things. And this book is asking the question, is it living or non-living? Sometimes it's hard for you to figure out which one it is. Sometimes it's not hard. Sometimes it's really easy. But this book is going to give you ways for you to ask questions to find the answers. I hope you enjoy this book. Living or Non-Living by Abby Dunn. The world is full of life. Take a deep breath. You are a living human being. Look around. Plants and animals are living things too. There are also many non-living things in the world. A ball and a bicycle are not alive. Rocks, sand, and water are non-living things too. Energy. Living things need energy. Plants make energy from sunlight, air, and water. They catch sunlight on their leaves. Water and air enter the plant through its leaves and roots. Animals need energy too. They eat food for their bodies to make energy. Animals also drink water and breathe air to survive. Moving and reacting. Living things move on their own. Non-living things cannot move on their own. Plants shoot up from the soil. Animals walk, run, fly, or swim. Living things react to things around them. Plants react by bending towards sunlight. Animals react with their senses. Growing and reproducing. Living things reproduce. They make more of their own kind. Ducks lay eggs. Ducklings grow up to be like their parents. Non-living things cannot reproduce. Living things grow and change. Leaves grow and change color. Then they fall to the ground. All living things grow old and die. The world is full of living and non-living things. Find out how to tell the difference between them. Here's an activity. You're going to need a pencil and paper and a place to look around. Make a table on the sheet of paper. It would look like this one. Add numbers 1 to 20. Pick 20 things you see around you. In the actions column, write down what each thing is doing on its own, or what you have seen it do on its own over time. If a thing does not do anything on its own, leave the actions column blank. Decide if the thing is living or non-living. Put a check in that column. Here is a glossary of all the terms from this book. Energy, the strength to do active things. Living, alive. Non-living, not alive, not having the qualities of living things. React, to act in response to something that happens. Reproduce, to make offspring. Root, the part of a plant that is underground. Senses, seeing, hearing, tasting, smelling, and touching. Using our senses helps us learn about our surroundings. Survive, to stay alive.